Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to create vouchers in Tally Prime by sending transaction documents through the Tally Era app. With the Tally Era app, you can either scan the physical copy or upload a PDF or image from your device. Thereafter, you can send the files to Tally Prime. These documents appear as draft transactions in Tally Prime. Using Docs by Era, you can quickly convert them into vouchers. Before you start, make sure a few things are in place. You must complete the Docs by Era registration on the Tally Solutions webpage. To send vouchers from the Tally Era app to Tally Prime, you must agree to the terms and conditions in Tally Prime. These appear the first time you import transaction documents from your computer using Docs by Era. For help, watch our video, How to Register for Docs by Era to automate voucher creation in Tally Prime. You also need user access to use the app. In Tally Prime, press Alt-K and go to Security. Here, enter your mobile number for Tally Era access. Press Ctrl-A to save. As an admin, you now have access to use the Tally Era app. You can also add other users for access. Press Alt-K and go to Users and Passwords. Select the user role. Select the user. Set Update Access to Yes. Enable Tally Era access. Enter the mobile number of the user. Press Ctrl-A to save. Similarly, you can give access to a company by adding multiple users. Now you and the added users can install the app. Go to the Android Play Store or iOS App Store, search for Tally Era and install it. Open the app and enter the mobile number added in Tally Prime. Enter the OTP. The app is ready to use and you will see your Tally Prime company listed. Now, let's see how you can send transaction documents to Tally Prime using the Tally Era app. In the app, select the company. To scan an invoice, tap the scan icon. Click the picture. In case the transaction document has multiple pages, you can add pages if needed. You can see that the file is here in the app. Now, if you already have invoices stored on your mobile device, tap the folder icon. Let's select a few files and upload. The invoices are uploaded successfully. If you have an invoice in another app, such as WhatsApp, then you can open the app and upload the file to Tally Era. In the WhatsApp window, long press to select the file. Now, tap the three dots. And then tap Share. Now, tap the Tally Era apps icon. The file is added to the company in the Tally Era app. Once you have added all the files, you can send to Tally Prime up to 10 files of the same voucher type. Tap the Send icon. Select the voucher type and voucher mode. Tap Send. The files are sent to the Draft Transactions report in Tally Prime. In the report, you can see that the transactions you sent are ready to convert. To verify a transaction, select it and press Alt-I. You can verify the values in the transaction document. Let's open one transaction to see the values extracted from the imported transaction document. Press Ctrl-A to save the voucher. To create multiple transactions, select all the transactions in the report. Press F10 and in a matter of seconds, all the vouchers get saved in your books. There you go. To view the vouchers in your books, open Daybook. You can see the vouchers here. As you saw, the Tally Era app makes voucher creation in Tally Prime easy and fast. If any exceptions appear, you can fix them easily from the Draft Transactions report. To learn more, watch our video. How to resolve documents and create vouchers in Tally Prime using Docs by Era. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.